Hey, hi again. Welcome to Anura Academy. The first thing that we do before uh, doing exhaust fan, as you can see, is the dust containment. Once we have the dust containment, we have everything in, and we have our tools ready to roll. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we have the power down for uh, the actual fan, and in fact, we have the power off right now. And what we wanna do is, because this one has two, one for the light and one for the fan, we're just gonna shut off the light one, and we're gonna tape it. Okay, gonna tape it so that way we know that it's that we're not gonna touch it. I have specialized my ladder where it has the clips for me to put my tools in there. So what I can do is just to take this out and put my tools over here. My tools are secure over there, and then I can work from here. Okay, and we just start by taking this out. All of this goes into the garbage. So I have a garbage over here. I got a picture of the unit. We'll take it. And it looks like someone is trying to get into my home. Okay. Send the picture. And go next. Then we take a picture of the existing condition of the fan. And then we proceed to take the fan out, and then we'll take the next picture. Then we'll disconnect the fan, the motor. We disconnect the motor out of the outlet. Okay. Once we're there, we're gonna check over here, because sometimes when they do the paint, they paint around the fan, and sometimes the paint sticks to the fan. So we wanna square that out. So when we're taking the fan, we don't take any of the paint. I'll use my aluminum one to get to the cables. I need to get to these cables. Try and get to the cables over here. I'm gonna proceed and test. I'm gonna test for electricity. We'll use this little guy over here. And I want to test for electricity. It looks like we don't have any electricity going in here. If you turn on that light, the other one, that switch, we have electricity. Did you shut it off? We have no electricity. All right. Good. So as we don't have electricity, we're good to proceed. So the first thing that we do is I'll go ahead and use my wire strip and cut these cables because I have enough over here to play with. I'm gonna proceed right over here. I'm gonna take it out of the conduit, which is up there. And I'll show you when I get it out. But now I have taken these off. So now it's off of the conduit. So now the next step is to know where my studs are, right? So I see that the exhaust fan is going that way. And I have my stud over here. Okay, so the next is to go ahead and use the template. So I can cut around it for my new fan, and I'm gonna have enough space to play with it. Now that I have marked my template, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. So in the corners, I like to put my blade in and then mark it in. I always cut against me because I have more control that way. And right here, I'm just squaring it. So then what I do next, I use this little guy, my saw. And I'm gonna go to the corners. There you go. And I just hit it with my kind of right here. Should come really easy. We'll put it over here in the garbage. Clean it over here. Pretty. Over there's Anura defined, and when I take it out, you'll see that the fins are attached to the studs over here, and they're attached by nails. So what we want to do is get them out first, so we can get the fin completely out. So I'm gonna start with this side that is closer, and then that side is gonna be a little easier, hopefully. This is what takes the longest. So this is attached to the studs over here. So we have to pray bar these. Sometimes you can take it out just with the pray bar. Sometimes you just have to cut it. So for this application, we use the saw and we'll cut it. And as you can see, our new fan is 10 by 10. This is around 16.5 of separation. So we have to dig in there. Just getting here enough of with the dog, so I can put it in there. So two things, I can take this out, but I don't need to. All right, and I can move this over here, then we'll mount it over here. All right, then it's when I have my fan over here, I need to take this part off and put it over there so I can play with it. I know that this one is my heart, so I'm gonna put it over here. Mr. Dennis. Alright, Dennis. Pretty good. Yep. Maybe pasarla. Okay. So it looks pretty good. What do you think, Dennis? Looking good. I'm gonna put a piece of wood over here so I can screw it too. Once we, the fan is in, then we'll put this little switch in there, make sure that it's all the way, and then we'll look over here. We have 50, 80, and 100 CFM. We'll put it in the middle, 80 CFM, and then we're ready to start it. And it takes about 5 seconds, and then boom, here it goes. See over here, just gonna put it in there. There we go, like nothing happened. Doesn't look like it. There we go. There. Professional. So, last thing over here, Dennis. Because sometimes we put our hand Because with that, sometimes we put our hand over here. We'll make marks. So we'll clean this area just with a rag and water. It'll clean pretty good. See any other ones right here? Comes out. Clean it over here. Looks pretty. Looks good.